When I shared my AI assistant in the shorts videos, hey Jarvis, send a message to dude.
Okay, sir. Tell me what you want to send.
How are you doing, pal?
Message sent, sir.
Too many people ask, and I'm gonna give you this source code today. Can you tell me how far from New York to Los Angeles?
The distance from New York to Los Angeles is approximately 2,796 miles, 4,498 kilometers, sir.
And trust me, I'm gonna teach you this in just 10 minutes. So let me quickly explain how everything works. First, we're gonna use Vosk to create a speech to text. You can use speech recognition as well if you want to, but I'm recommending you to use Vosk because it's way better and it's way faster. So to download Vosk, you have to go this website and you have to download this Vosk model. If you want a bigger and better model, you can download this either, but this model is enough for us for now. So you can download this, and after downloading this file, you have to extract this zip file from the file explorer. If you don't want to speak English and if you want to speak in your own language, if English is not your first language, so there's other languages as well. You can use Russian model, you can use French, you can use German. That's all up to you. So after downloading this model, you have to go this code section that I will give you in the description. You have to change this path according to your file explorer path. So if you put your model in the desktop, you have to change this as a desktop, but mine is in downloads. So as you can see here, this Vosk is taking your voice and converting your voice, your speech to text, and that's why it's called speech to text. Then after completing this, you have to make a response system. So for the second step, we are taking this text and we are sending a request to Groq with an API key to create a response for us. So in this way, AI can respond to your questions and your answers. You can use Gemini as well, but Gemini is not free, so I'm gonna use Groq in this video. So we have to take an API key to use Groq AI. So you have to go this website. I will give you this too in the description. Then you have to create an API key, for example, assistant. Then submit, and your key is ready. So copy that, go to this .env file and paste it. I'm not showing you my API key right now. It's something like a secret. So after completing this too, so by the way, I was using Gemini, so I gave the Gemini name, but we can change this as Groq. I gave you two files to use speech to text according to your use. If you want to use Vosk model, then you can delete this model because you're not going to use it. But if you want to use speech recognition as a speech to text, then you can delete this and you can come this section, then delete this. It's all up to you. But for now, I'm going to use this speech to text Vosk because Vosk is faster. So in here, basically, you are calling this .env here and you are using the API key. You are giving a prompt to AI. You can change this section as you wish, like always tell me Mr. So if you put this and you delete this, then your AI is always gonna call you with Mr. So in here we are using the Groq model and we are giving a role as a user assistant, and this content is our text, our message to AI, and we are creating a history in here to remember what we said earlier. So this is all working like this basically. So now we created a speech to text, we took our speech and we converted to text and we sent a request to Groq AI to create a response for us, and now we have to use text to speech. So if you don't create a text to speech, then your AI is not gonna speak with you. So in here I tried all these text to speech models and I am not recommending 11 Labs because 11 Labs is fast. 11 Labs is good, but it's not free. It's not free, so we cannot use 11 Labs. I tried this cookie TTS as well. It's hard to set up, it's slow, and I don't know, it's not too natural, so it is not the model we are looking for. We got this Google TTS, Google Text-to-Speech, so you can use this Google Text-to-Speech, but it will not create you a real-time conversation, so it's always gonna convert this response to MP3 file, then it will speak, but of course it's not fast, so we're not gonna use Google TTS too. And we got this Python library here, PyTTS3, and we're not going to use this too because it's not natural and the voices in here is too limited. We are going to use HTTS because HTTS is fast, natural, and free to use. You will set up this HTTS in your computer. It's quite simple. Just open command prompt and type pip install HTTS. Then you will download this just like that. By the way, to use this Groq model, you have to download Groq as well, like this. And I can show you this. HTTS has a multiple and very large voices in itself. So let me show you. As you can see, all languages is here. You can use French, you can use German, you can use whatever you want here. All you have to do is just taking these voices, just like that, copy this, then go to code, then voice player, we got voice player here, then just paste it, just like that. So let me explain you this code basically. In here we are creating a text-to-speech and a GUI. So let me show you this. So if you use this, it's gonna make more realistic. In here, we are making our HTTS more realistic and more natural by not waiting after these periods, after this exclamation points, question marks, so it's gonna be faster. If you delete this, it's gonna be a little bit slow. So in here, we are making our GUI using Tkinter and some animation libraries. We can change GUI size here, you can change name here, and you can change the colors, you can change animation speeds here, but it's good for now. So in here we are creating a text-to-speech. If you are French, then find the French things, copy this, then can come here and paste this. So basically it's working like this. And now I'm gonna show you face PNG. And you can put your own design in here. So it's all up to you, but I will give you this face PNG too, so you can use this as a default. After that, you can change it if you want to make your own design. And final part, we're gonna run our program in here. It's too simple. We are taking speech to text here, then we are creating a loop here. If you say any of these words, then your AI will stop. Our AI is working basically like this. Maybe we can improve this in the next videos, but let me quickly show you how this AI assistant works. What's up?
Nothing much. Just here to help, sir.
How far from New York to Los Angeles?
Approximately 2,796 miles, 4,498 kilometers, sir.
What is the speed of light?
186,282 miles per second, sir.
Can you give me a life advice?
Be true to yourself, learn from your mistakes, and never give up on your dreams, sir.
And how can I do this?
Set clear goals, prioritize self-reflection, and take small steps towards your dreams every day, sir.
How can I see my potential?
Identify your strengths, passions, and values, and ask for feedback from people you trust to gain a clearer understanding of your potential, sir.
So as you can see, our codes, our program is working. I will give you the API keys, I will give you the Vosk model and the source of code in the description. If you want to see more advanced AI assistant or some projects, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like video. So see you in the next videos, take care.